Federal data shows a rise in the number of parents choosing not to vaccinate their children.
And in Spokane County, the vaccination exemption rates are even higher than the national average. Our Hunter Bertram live with the numbers.
Yeah, good evening, Kirsten and Derek. The CDC releasing the vaccination numbers for our school for the 2023-24 school year. And a big number we saw increase locally was the number of kindergarten students that were granted exemption, in comparison to the previous school year.
Nationally, the exemption rate went from 3% to 3.3%, in Washington from 4% to 4.8%, and in Spokane County from 4.5% to 7.8%, meaning more kindergartners in Spokane County are going unvaccinated than around the country.
You know, when there's low vaccination rates in schools, there's obviously a higher chance for a vaccine-preventable disease to become an outbreak.
In recent weeks, Spokane County and around the inland Northwest, we've seen an outbreak of whooping cough. In September alone, the Spokane Regional Health District recorded 18 cases in Spokane County.
It's just a good reminder that, you know, if it's a child younger than 7, they need to be up to date on their DTaP. And if it's 7 and older, then we need to make sure we're up to date on our Tdap vaccines, because both of those protect against pertussis.
And sometimes when there's outbreaks of infectious disease, your child could be barred from going to school if not vaccinated.
If a child isn't vaccinated for the particular disease that is in an outbreak status, technically, legally, our local health officer could require that children be excluded from school.
Now, despite the whooping cough cases around the inland Northwest, the Spokane Regional Health District tells me that it's not an illness that would warrant preventing unvaccinated students from going to school. Live in Spokane, Hunter Bertram, 4 News Now.